Welcome to this video tutorial with the topic Full Dentures with inLab Software 20. Design process using IPN 3D digital denture teeth. In this video, we will show you how to design, finalize, and export a digital full denture. Begin with setting up the restoration parameters for the calculation of the denture base. Setting your own custom parameters will make it easier for you to achieve a more reproducible result in the end. Once you are satisfied with the parameter setting for the upper and lower jaw, then move on to the next step, adjust morphology. Here, you have the possibility to still change the prefabricated denture teeth you have initially chosen in the administration phase. You can change the form of the anteriors as well as the posteriors. When moving your cursor over the top of the tooth mold selection chart, a detailed preview window will appear. There is also here the possibility, with the Change Tooth tool, to individually change the form of single teeth. We will continue along in the step menu to Positioning. In this step, you can individually change the position of the teeth from the software's initial proposal. You can choose a single tooth, or you can group selected teeth and reposition them. By pressing Ctrl-Shift, you can flexibly choose and group several teeth. This way, you can scale numerous teeth together. You can choose between a linear or non-linear movement. With the tool Add and Remove Second Molar, you once again have the option to remove or add a tooth if the space situation for the case requires it. In all the steps within the design phase, you can toggle between Show and Hide on any desired object. When you are finished with the positioning of the teeth, move forward to the step Edit Denture Base. In the step Edit Denture Base, automatically a denture base proposal is calculated based on the tooth setup and denture baseline. The initial proposal can be flexibly and individually edited by using the tools Form and Shape. Change now into the final step of the design phase. For the completion, you now have the last possibility to check your digital denture in the Finalize step. The tools Form, Shape, and Recalculate stand at your disposal for any eventual improvements. Conclude the design phase and change into the Export phase. The denture base for the upper and lower jaws are displayed. If you have chosen a try-in in the administration phase, then it will be shown as a restoration on the bottom column as well. As usual, you can export all restorations directly to the inLab CAM software to a selected folder or export them as an STL file via the side menu.